Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will see how to create a landing page using Systeme.io, and it's very simple and straightforward. So first, we have to log into our Systeme.io account and we will go to funnels. Here, currently, I don't have any funnel created. So you may also have something like this. So simply click on this create button. And they are going to ask you some simple questions. You can simply write it's just for test. And why are you building this funnel? To build an audience, to sell a product, or just a custom funnel from scratch? So let's choose the first option here, and you can choose your own currency. For now, I'm just keeping it default, or I'm selecting Australian dollars. Okay. And this is your funnel domain, which might be similar to the email account you used to log into Systeme.io. Now click on the save button and your funnel is almost ready. Now what we can do is to view it, duplicate, share, deactivate, and many more options here. If we simply view it, there is actually nothing because we did not choose any template or something. So now we are gonna do that. None of this option will work to edit this funnel. Rather, you just have to click on the test or whatever your funnel name is. Simply click on it and you will have the next steps. The squeeze page is the first landing page, which will be used to take the leads from your audience, or just your audience will land on this page. There are many templates that you can choose from. You can simply preview the templates and then choose one. If you're just creating a funnel, which is something like informative, just that will show you what your services are, what's your product is, then this type of page is perfect. But if you are just building something to take leads, then you have to collect the user's email address or something, then this type of uh, template will be a good fit. For example, this one, they can simply submit their email account here. So can we just simply go with the yoga one because it also has the email account feature? So, for example, you are just an yoga expert and you take yoga classes and you are making a landing page for your service. So, we will make a funnel. We will make a landing page for your business. So, this was the yoga template. We can simply select it and the squeeze page is ready. We can edit the page. Of course, we have to edit the page because the page is not actually unique for you. It is just a general page made for everyone. Click on edit page and we will be redirected to the editor. And the editor is very, very simple. Trust me, Systeme.io is very user friendly, even for the beginners. Now, whatever you need to change on this page, you just have to click and you will get the option to change everything. For example, you can change your font. We can make any font from here, and we can change the font size. If you need to make it smaller, then go for a smaller size. Very simple. And line height means the gap between the text. And you can also make a background color here. So it's basically very, very simple. If you want to change the title, you can simply change here. So I've just changed the yoga title. Very simple. Then if you want to change the pictures, simply click on it. You can simply delete it here. So very simple. Everything is super simple here. You can add an image by simply drag here and drop it Here is an image box. Now you can simply add any type of image here. We can also delete this image and add another image here. We can upload a file or add an URL here. So let's try with the upload file. For example, this image. Okay, then insert, and the image will be here. So you see it's very simple. And we can also play with the image size here, and we can also align the image. We can add margin. For example, if we add margin 5, then from all of the sides the image will get a margin. We can also add border radius, which will make the image round. Here you can see a round type image, and there are many options that you can play with. Let's say we want to make the image center, like we want the image to be a little bit lower in position, so we can also do that. It's very simple. Simply click on the image, and for margin we will add some margin top. As you can see, the image is getting lower. So this is how you can actually use this editor to change anything on this page. So you can simply save changes. Once it is saved, we can simply view the page, and you see everything has changed according to the changes you have made. So you can make the changes to any of the text here, the images, and the email. Just drag and drop the things from here. For example, you want to add a video over here, so you can simply drag and drop this and insert your video link here. It's super simple. Here is a default video from Systeme.io. So you have got the idea. It's very simple. We just have to play with all these things. We can simply drag and drop. If you need 2 columns, 3 columns, there are options to add columns as well. There are form input button, checkbox, reCAPTCHA, and social media icons, other like countdown menu, horizontal line, FAQ, raw HTML. Many things are here. So you have got the idea of how to edit a page, how to edit a landing page using Systeme.io. So you can also change your phone number here. As you can see, you can add any type of digit here. So click save changes, and every change you have just made will be saved. This was the page, right? So if we simply reload the page, and if we simply preview the page again, and then you see the video you have just added is here. So this is how you can make a landing page using Systeme.io. Now let's exit the page. And there are many things like automation rules, A/B test, stats. In the stats, you will see how many people are visiting your squeeze page, and on the leads page, you will see how many people are actually subscribing to your page. And the sales, you will mainly see how much money you are making with the landing page. And here you will see the thank you page. Basically, a thank you page is something when your visitor will subscribe or submit their email address here, then they will be redirected to a thank you page. Let's select a thank you page from here. And after you have selected the thank you page, you can also change the URL of the pages. For example, this is the main URL, then you can you can just rename this page thank you or thanks. This is the URL of that page now. And then make the changes you want here. For example, now we don't need the subscribe here. We don't need watch video as well. We just need a thank you. We don't need the column. Simply click save changes, and that's it. Now when you visit your main landing page, let me show you the main funnel you have just made. View funnel. This is the this is the this is the funnel we have just made. Now just subscribe with any of this email, and you see it's the thank you page showing up. I hope you got an idea of how to create a landing page using Systeme.io. It was very simple and fun, and there are many things that you can really do with it. You can automate the rules, you can A/B test, you can stats. So in the next upcoming videos, I will show you all these settings as well. So this is for today. I will see you in the next video.